So hi guys, so welcome to Chart Traders channel for a weekly view that is on 25th till 29th April. So the caption what I mentioned is market correction is on. That is why I mentioned this caption is because we saw the FI and the FI is selling nowadays from last couple of weeks. The sell is more and Fed also declares some interest rate. So expecting some correction in the market. So let's see how what is the level let's it can fall. So before that, note down guys, our channel is only for educational purpose. So if you are trading, please contact your finance advisor. Let me change my screen to Nifty chart. So this is the controls that. So if we look here in February month, we saw this fall. Okay, so you can see here this was the fall which we saw, and similar pattern. What I'm expecting is it should again try to follow this downtrend. So I'm expecting this is the fall. So the gap up is expected 17,000 on Monday. So if it fails to hold this 17,000, further downside to 16,800, 760 levels. And if doesn't sustain that level also, you can the maximum low I'm expecting for this expiry April month expiry 16,464 levels. So that is a very strong support here. It should not break this. If it break, there is a big correction in the market. So this is what I am expecting. If it breaks 16,500, but I'm not expecting big fall. This is a very strong support 16,400. It should not break. Else a big fall correction in the market. So that's the reason I mentioned this correction in the market is on if it break this 16,500. Okay, so the levels for this week you can expect 16,800, that is one support, and 16,464 is the next support. So I have Manju also with me. Hi Manju. So what is your view, what you are expecting for this week on Nifty?
I all. I am. Yeah, on the charting, right? If I go to the chart, I
Yep.
am expecting like this. 17,000 is a strong support. Once it breaks, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can expect this month low already, which it has made somewhere near 824. That was a previous low on 19th April.
Hmm.
So if that also gone right, if that is also broken, then it might reach till 16,680 to 600. That would be one of the strong support next.
Okay.
So if that breaks, then we might have to see another next levels.
Okay.
But I feel 16,400 to 500, right?
Hmm.
That level could hold the fall. Let's see.
Okay. So currently the market is negative. So the support is 17,000, 16,800, 16,400 levels. Okay. Let's look at the bank Nifty. So I did not check this. Let me delete this. Okay. So you can follow this trend line. Okay. So now it is exact at 36,000, a very strong support here, and ICICI Bank have shared a good result, I believe, and it should not break this 36,000. Okay, why I'm mentioning is from April month So this was the low which it made, 36,000. It should not break. If it break, then further downside 35,400 is the next support, and that is very strong support. Okay, that is the March month low. It should not break this 35,000. So if it break this 36,000, the next 1,000 points we can expect on the downside, and 35,000 is a good support for Bank Nifty. So Manju, what is your view on Bank Nifty?
Yeah, and Bank Nifty, yeah, as I said, 36,000 is a very strong support.
Hmm.
Yeah, if it breaks at least 1,000 points fall, aram so you can expect.
Expect here. So
Yes.
this is what I am expecting the move.
Yeah.
So let me take
On the broader level, it looks like it can reach till 34 also. Since the
border.
Bank Nifty is a highly volatile, right?
Yeah.
So there is a chance, like if it breaks 35K, next would be 34,600,
Hmm.
next to 34K. Strong support.
Let me change the screen to 4 hours chart. Okay.
4 hour or daily chart? Anything
Daily
is fine.
chart, 4 hour chart is fine. I mean, just for the
Yeah.
candle to very visible. Okay. So you can see here 34 is the next support here. If it break this 35,000 levels. Okay. So I'm expecting 35,200, 35,000 levels. So you
Yeah.
can see here this one. If this break, and then 34,600 and 34,000 is the next supports. Okay, you can expect this level. Okay, and this level 600 or 700 will be your support. So that is our chart analysis. So let's look at the query. There was one more query asking about the ICICI Bank.
ICICI Bank.
Okay, let's look at the ICICI Bank chart. Okay, before moving on to the OI data. ICICI Bank. Result is showing good, but the chart is not showing good. So what do you say, Manju? So it's look it has rejected from 778 levels. Okay,
Yeah.
so that was an
I think during in the premium group also, I told about ICICI Bank, I guess.
hmm,
Somewhere near 970 or something that level. If it breaks, it will turn to negative or something.
okay.
770. Yeah. Yes.
778 you mentioned it. Okay,
Yeah.
778, from there it has got rejected, and now
Yeah.
it is 740 is one of the small support, and if that breaks 720, and if that also breaks 700, is a very strong support. Okay, it should not break this 700 levels. Okay,
Maybe since it has given good result, right? It can give a small spike and it can come down. Chances are there.
this possibility. Okay, it can move to 770 again, then it can come back in this level, or it can move in this range only. So this is the possibility on ICICI Bank. Okay, so let me delete this. So 770, 740, and 700. So this is the level you can expect on ICICI Bank. So any other queries from anyone? No queries. So let's move on to this OI data. What the OI data says. Okay, so give me a minute. So looking at the Nifty OI data, 17,000, a good support here it shows, and if that fails, Next support is 16,500 for this week. So it need to break. If it breaks 17,300 only, the market is Nifty is 17,300, 17,400. If it break, then only it is positive. Else you can expect all these levels in this week. Okay, on Nifty. Bank Nifty over data 37,000, a strong resistance here. 36,000, a good support, and next is 35,000. If that break, next is 34,000. So this is the level which I'm expecting. If it break 37,000, then Bank Nifty is positive. Else you can expect these levels in coming days for this week. Hope you guys are clear on the over data. Let's look at the training program, guys. If you're really interested to learn technical, you can contact me, Hemant at 369. So we're going to start a new batch. If you're really interested, you can check. All this is the topic which you're going to cover. That is a 2 week training program, 4 session, 2 hours per session, and 1 month support you will be getting. So let's look at the stock for tomorrow. On Monday, the TCS above 3,625. Okay, it need to break this 3,025. Next resistance is 3,642. If it break next 3,735 will be both the targets. That's about the TCS. Next is Axis Bank below 775. Okay, if it fails to hold, then you can expect 760, 756 on Axis Bank. Airtel above 740, you need to 744. If it break, then you can expect a positive 750, 770 is the next target. Ramco Cement showing some sideways. If it break this 815, right, 820, 835 will be your next target. That's about the stock for Monday. Thank you guys. Thanks Manju for your time. See you on the next video. Happy trading. Take care. Cheers. Bye.